In this tutorial, I show you how to make a 3D printed custom slim phone stand. So the first thing you want to do is to take a good profile picture of the phone. And you can see that I also included a ruler which will help scaling this picture. Here's a new file. Let me turn on the origin, and the next thing you're going to select canvas. The canvas is a photograph of the profile of your phone. I need to select the face to put the canvas, so I'm going to select this face. Okay. Next, I'm going to go to the file system and select the image. This is my image. Okay, let's click OK. Now I'm going to look at the canvas straight on, like this. And next thing I'm going to do is calibrate the canvas so that it's the right size. Now you can see outside the telephone's outline, I also have a ruler, so that makes it easy to adjust, to calibrate. So click on canvas calibrate. Okay, I'm going to select 15 and 5. So what? I know this is 100 millimeters. So type 100, and this should be scaled correctly now. Okay, and next I'm going to try to center it, just so that it's easy to model. Go to edit canvas. Okay, now I can move it like so. Okay, there. Now I have a canvas. I can sketch a curve to fit the picture. So let me go to sketch. Okay, go to sketch. I'm going to sketch out on the same surface of the canvas. And let me start with making an outline of the phone stand. Okay, so roughly about this big, roughly. Okay. Next, I'm going to make sure it's symmetrical to the y-axis. So first, I'm going to project the axis. Okay, so I can use it. I'm going to project this axis. You can see it turns purple. Okay, it turns purple. And next, I'm going to select symmetry and do a symmetry constraint. The first line for symmetry, and then the second line for symmetry. And the third thing you click is the mirror line. So the mirror line here. So now it should be symmetrical. Okay. And you can see the canvas is a little off, so I'm going to adjust the canvas a little bit again. I think partly it's because so I'm gonna click escape to escape a symmetry constraint, and I'm going to edit canvas just to center it a little better. Okay, like so. Like maybe this. Okay, and let's see. It looks like I also need to adjust the Z angle a little bit. Okay, a little bit. So let me try 2 degrees, 0.34. No. Let me see if I can put this line here. Makes it a better reference. Yeah, this is better. So I am going to do this. just to make sure it kind of matches. Okay, I hope this is okay. Back to sketches. So I'm going to sketch two lines. One is fitting the face of the phone here. The next line is to fit the back of the phone, like so. Here, here. Okay, so these two are perpendicular. Um, and I'm going to try to fit them to the phone's surface. Okay. They look kind of okay. Okay. So next, I'm going to sketch this curve profile, and for that I'm going to use a spline. Okay. So for spline, you want to have as few control points as possible. So let me just try to sketch a control point, something like this. Okay. And next I'm going to do minor adjustment, like to adjust the curvature. I use this little handle, and as you know, the sharper the edge, the smaller the curvature. So generally, you want this line to be this handle to be on the line itself, and um, actually this is um, so I traced the outline of the profile, and next I'm going to have a little notch, have a little arm, a little extrusion to hold at the edge of the phone. Make sure you try to not block the screen of the phone, okay, so you still can use it. So I'm going to do a line here, and next I'm going to do a symmetry again. I'm going to do a mirror. So I'm going to do mirror using the profile I already sketched. Okay. And the mirror line is this, the y-axis. Okay. So now I have a profile, and let me turn off the canvas and see how it looks. Turn off the visibility of canvases so I can look at it and see if it looks right to me. Okay. So now next I'm going to trim these excess lines that I don't need, just so it doesn't look too confusing. So I'm going to trim this line, this line, this line, here, 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 here. Okay, so this is basically our extrusion. And usually what I want to do is save some material. And so I want to do another rectangle. So let me do another 3 points rectangle as a carve out, just a carve out. Okay, so like so. And do some minor adjustment. And I am going to try to do symmetry again. So symmetry, first edge here, second edge here, and a symmetry line here. Wait, let me try this again. First edge, okay, select symmetry, first edge here, second edge here, and the symmetry mirror line is here. Okay, so you can see the constraints are here. So now we're ready to print. Well, now we're ready for extrusion. And basically just want to extrude this. So stop the sketch. We're back to modeling and create an extrusion, and with this profile, right? So you can see that basically we can just make the extrusion, and usually I want it a little thinner, so I make it about 4mm thin so I can easily carry with me in my pocket. Okay, so this is basically your first job, and you can save it by right click on the body and save as STL, and then you're ready to print it. Okay, so that's how you trace a profile of a phone to make a slim stand that fits the phone. The next thing is to 3D print the model and see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, go back to the sketch to adjust it. The finished product should be snug, and you should be able to adjust the angle. And it should be thin, so you should be able to put it in a pocket pretty easily. Happy printing!